MagBak is firing on all cylinders. They sent us the MagBak case, the Pro, the Elite case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. They've come a long way from iPhones. We've unboxed the S25 Ultra, and now we've got Pixel Pro 9 XL. This is a quick look around the box. It includes the case and one screen protector. And it all cost $79. Now, if you've seen my unboxings before for these cases, they are extremely premium and minimalistic. So this is what you get in the box for this phone. You've got your packaging, very nice. Now, this case isn't just good looking, but it is an applicator for your screen protector. This is the case right off the bat. This is what you get. First presentation. You get the MagBak case. Now it's got the same premium material as the iPhone, as the Galaxy. You got your felt behind the phone. You've got your finger loop. You've got protection for that Cyclops lens. You got your finger loop here. You've got your kickstand. Heard that? Nice little click. Now, as I said before, the iPhone one is only for vertical, but these actually allow you to stand them up. So, what else do you get in the case? Screen protector stuff. Alcohol. Now, this magnet, of course, stick it anywhere. MagBak is known for their magnetic capabilities. You can literally stick it on any magnetic surface. It is honestly one of my favorite features about it. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'll stick it to my fridge while I'm cooking, or I'm washing dishes or something, or I'm in the shower. I put this little magnet in there. You guys know you do it. You watch videos in the shower, whatever you do from there, you listen to music, you can attach it right next to it. Great adhesive to it. It hasn't come down yet. I still have the one magnet in the shower, and every time I upgrade with the case, just stick it on there. The one screen protector with instructions. So, without further ado, let's bring out the star of the show. Here is the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The case. Nice little snug fit, but easy fit. Now let's take a tour around this bad boy. Here we go. Look at that. Very uniform. You can't tell me this isn't a clean look. Now, I can't express this enough, but this case feels so nice in the hand. And they even went with the iPhone recess magnets. So when you get to a metal surface, these actually extend. There's your pinky pillow. Right there. It actually feels nice. It's one of those things that you don't think you need, but then when it's in your hand and you notice that the bridge of your pinky isn't hurting as much, you're like, oh, that's nice. Are the buttons clicky? Nice little click. Home button doesn't click as much, but it's a nice little click. But yeah, this is it. Should we attempt to put on the screen protector? I know you guys have heard me before. I've said it. Terrible at it. So I think it should give more prominence to how good these screen protectors are as far as applying them goes. These cases are fully customizable, even from here. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this. Let's do it. We'll do it live. As I said before, this box is not simply just for the look. It is an applicator. So you put it on there. It's nice and snug. Take out the stuff. Comes with everything you need in there. We're talking about microfiber cloth. We're talking about alcohol pad. We're talking about tape in order to get it done. So let's do this. Here we go. Gonna clean her up real nice right here on camera. Now this case goes for $79. And I'm pretty sure you're like, for $79, I can pretty much buy maybe like 4 or 5 cases. And yes, you can. This is absolutely true. But the question is, do you care about the quality of your case? And let me just say, MagBak has come a long way from their classic cases. This feels very premium in your hands. So if you're looking to buy one case that's basically multifunctional, I'm talking about the magnets, I'm talking about the finger loop, I'm talking about the kickstand, all of those things. And then they even provide your screen protector. If you're trying to do a one and done, this is it. This is it. So we're supposed to pull out the tag, and I'm just gonna close it here. So it's all closed, and then you just pull. All right. Let's see how we did. Beautiful. It's on there. It's instant. It's a one shot. If you're terrible at me, look, I could just swipe away the bubbles. They said it's normal if there is bubbles, but look, that looks so premium on there. It's beautiful. And now let's add it all together. Put it in the case. Attach it. Snaps right in. Voila. Your Pixel 9 Pro XL, fully protected, fully magnetic, and ready for everyday use. I tell you guys, MagBak has become one of my favorite cases. I'm not even saying that because they're like sponsoring us. We always want to bring you honest feedback, and this company, literally, we've been with them since their classic cases, and they are listening to people. I'm telling you, this case is a one and done. Like, you get this case and you're going to want to keep it for the entirety of your phone's life just because of the use that you can get out of it. $79. But if you click our affiliate link down below, you can actually get 15% off site-wide. Just type in UTCB as in Bravo 15 at the checkout. So that's UTCB 15 at checkout. Get 15% off. With that 15% off, you can get some side buttons to change different colors. You got red, orange, gray. Make the phone your own, but I'm telling you right now, this case is where it's at. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like, subscribe. It helps our channel out. Do you have a MagBak case? What do you think of the MagBak case, the Elite? Again, love to hear from you guys. Check you guys out in the next one.